Okay, you guys always complain that I forget to do intros and outros and I just film my fishing. But if I do intros and outros, you guys complain, come on, just get to the fishing. We don't want to see you talking, so a little bit of an intro. We are at the RedDeer River for my sister-in-law's 50th birthday camp out. Right now, let's go fishing. I'm going to use the matadors that I like to tie because there are bull trout in here. So let's give you a good look at that. Basically, I just tie a big streamer on a jig head, and I call them the matador because I catch bull trout with them. Also, we're going to be sticking on just a typical, let's show you, snap swivel. Today, I'm going to be using the L-Free Gifto that came with the Alberta vodka, which is an awesome spinner. And I don't know who makes that. Probably made in China, but I think the silver is going to work. So we use this guy today. I'll obviously make the hook match regulations, get rid of barbs. You'll notice on this guy, no barbs. Let's go fishing. How do we do this transition? Ready? So today, we're using, check this thing out, the Zebco Hot Cast, the Shakespeare Alpha. I'm always on the lookout. If I see them, I buy them. I love rods with the trigger. It's just my thing. This is probably more of an ice fishing rod, but I think the shortness of it, just gonna be nice for nice little casts into the pools on the river here today. All right. So this river, we're going to fish the straight sort of dump out from the waterfall. So let's head down there. It's raining a little too hard. Fish aren't biting. They're gonna wait and go out a little bit later. Oh, don't know why I didn't have my hat on. Rain has let up. I come down the river and who do I find? But the Bretsky. Got him here. I cast right at the end of those rocks, right there. As soon as it hit the water, honestly thought I had a thought I snagged a rock. I was throwing the matador, so I'm thinking it's a bull trout. Exactly a bull trout.
Does it have scales?
It does, but we can't eat this one. This is the bull trout that I talked about.
Can I feel it?
Here, fish you a Paul B, baby. Give him a kiss. Okay. Well, it's a bull trout. You can't keep bull trout. Make sure that he swims away. Fish you a Paul B, baby. So, just to let you guys know, right out there's some foam. Foam is home. So I cast in front of that rock where it's just trickling over, so it would drift in. But as soon as it hit the water, boop, we got the hit. Our first bull trout of this little trip. Let's get more. How do we do this transition? Oh, Sunday morning. See if we can pull a few fish out of the tail out there. Buddy's still up there soaking bait, which I don't think you're allowed to do in the river, but that's his problem, not mine. I went to bed before everybody and I'm pretty beat. It was cold last night and I found out the hard way. My topper doesn't have a seal around it and it leaks. So good thing I had a wool blanket or I would have been even more cold. It was a rough sleep. The sun is out, had my breakfast. Let's go catch a fish. We're gonna start out this morning with a yellow and silver spinner. Let's see what happens. River got a little crowded, so way down there. There's a nice deep pool, and on the back side of that, there's another big pool. So we're gonna cross downstream. Nobody home in that hole back there, so we're gonna head down there. Stay tuned. All right, bull trout number 2. Just in this hole. Wherever the current goes by, fishing with Paul B, baby. Come on, bull. Go on, go on, go on. Come on. Fish with Paul B, baby. Another one. This guy's definitely a little scrappier. Fish with Paul B, baby. Let's get him back in the water. Go on, buddy. There you go. Gone. Just dead slow on the bottom. I'm just going dead slow on the bottom. What? Both bulls? Yeah, both bulls. All right. Here we are. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Up off the waterfall, I caught the one little bull, and right here behind me, where Brett's fishing, I caught the two other ones. And I guess the question you're asking is, what does the subscribe button look like? Looks kind of like this, but it'll be at the end of the video. It'll be my face, and if you click on it, boop, you're subscribed. There'll also be another video linked to one of my other videos after this, so make sure you check that out. Other than that, RedDeer River, kind of up around Yahatinda Ranch. Fishing with Paul B, baby. Yow!
When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B.